Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick sketch and a watercolor sunrise over the ocean. As always, all of the materials that I use will be listed down below in the reference section if you want to follow along or complete your sunrise a little later. At this point, I'm just sketching in quickly where I want some of the darker clouds to be. My next step is to wet the entire sky with clear water before adding in the color. I'm adding in some blue at the top and darkening it a little bit as it moves across the sky, bringing some of that color down into where the clouds are going to be. Again, working wet and wet, I add a little bit of a pale gray into the cloud areas where I want the clouds to look a little bit stormy. Now I can begin adding in the color that's coming from the actual sunrise. Some orange, deepening it, allowing it to blend because the background is still a bit wet. So the colors will kind of blend into each other. And that's what you want to happen. Adding more gray here and there, again, allowing it to melt into the blue and down into the orange as well. I've allowed the painting to dry, and as you can see, the colors have really softened and blended together. Now I'm adding clear water on top and dropping in more color to emphasize the clouds. And then I'll do the same with the sunrise color as well. To complete the painting, I am adding black to the land area in front of the sunrise to create kind of a silhouette To finish off the painting, I'm using a black permanent marker to line in the telephone pole and the wires. I hope you enjoyed this quick little sunrise painting, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the little bell button so that you'll receive notifications for upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching. Bye!